In this video, we show how to create new materials in Revit. Materials in Revit represent actual materials such as concrete, wood and glass. They can be applied to objects in the design to give the objects a realistic appearance and behavior. Let's go to the video for more details. Open the Material tool on Manage tab. Click this icon on the browser toolbar and select Create New Material from the drop-down list. Now you get a new material slot in Project Material list. And select the right click and select the rename option to rename your material. Go to Graphics tab and click on the Use Render Appearance. We have two more options there. One is Surface Pattern and Cut Pattern. Using these options, you can give different pattern types on material. Here I will show an example for surface pattern and cut pattern. This is the surface pattern for brick and this is the cut pattern for brick. Cut pattern are shown in section view. Next, go to Appearance tab. Under Generic tab, in this box, we can apply the color for material. Apply the color for material, then OK. Now we finish the step to create a new material. After that, I will show how to apply this material on wall. Select wall, go to Edit type and select Edit. Load the new material created in Material column. And click OK. Now you can see the new material that we created is applied on wall. One more material we created following the same step. In this time, we give an image pattern instead of color. Click on Image box and choose the image you want to load up. click on open. This time we click on bump effect to this image. Bump map stimulates a bumping or irregular surface. Bump mapping increases the render time significantly but adds to the realism. Select the same image in bump option. Here we can increase the bump amount. Then click OK. Now we apply the created material on floor. For this, select floor, go to edit type, select edit and load the new created material in material column. Now you can see the material that we created is applied on floor. Next we test how this material appears when bump option is disabled. Thank you for watching this video.